Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Start by going into settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used keyboard. Now you need to tap on Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Then select a photo by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Then adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, you can click on the switcher next to keyboards to turn them off or on and tap on Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!